So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a user to your Google Business account. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to google.com/business or business.google.com, either one, and you're going to view your business page. On the left-hand side, you're going to follow this down and click Users, and then you're going to click Add Users. Now, if you are adding us, you're going to add charbennett@gmail.com and choose this. You're also going to add your site needs, let's do that again. You're also going to add your site needs me at gmail.com. So that is the other one you're going to add. And then you're going to choose a role as manager and click on invite and click on done. And then that person will get an email with that invitation. Please note you can only add users that have a Gmail account. So it has to be an @Gmail email address or an account that is a Gmail address. So if you have an account that you log into Gmail with that's your name at someotherdomain.com, but it's a Gmail or a Google account, that should work as well. And that's it.
Yeah, pero, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah.